Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can split a PDF document in the Bluebeam Revu application vertically, horizontally. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the Bluebeam application, open the given document through File in the top left, select Open, navigate to the file on your device, and then it will be opened in a tab here in the Bluebeam application. So there are three different ways how you can do this. Option number one, you right click into the tab of the given PDF document and choose one of these options, split vertical, horizontal. Option number two, you use one of these shortcuts, Ctrl+2, Ctrl+H, or option number three, you use these buttons at the bottom, split vertically, horizontally. So let me go with this option here, for example, or this one. And as you can see, this document has been split vertically, horizontally, and that's how it works. So you can work with it here and here in that tab, in that window, or a split screen. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.